To create an Upwork account, start by opening a web browser on your mobile device or desktop and type in upwork.com in the web address bar. Then, click on the Sign Up option in the top right corner of the screen. You will be prompted to choose whether you are a client or a freelancer. If you are a client looking to hire freelancers for a project, select the option I am a client hiring for a project. If you are looking to do freelancing work, select I am a freelancer looking for work and then click on Apply as a freelancer. You will then be given 3 options to create your account, using your Apple account, Google account, or email address. To create an account using your email address, enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a new password. You can also change your country if needed, but for now, you can leave it as is. After that, agree to the Upwork terms of service, including the user agreement and privacy policy, by clicking on Yes, I understand and agree. Then, click on Create My Account and your account will be successfully created. The next step is to verify your email address. Go to your email service provider and verify your email address. Once verified, your account will be confirmed, and you can proceed. That's it, your Upwork account is now created, and you're ready to get started.